agar pertandingan besok bisa berjalan dengan maksimal dan kami bisa mendapatkan 3 poin.
Selamat sore. It's going to be a tough game tomorrow because Persikabo have a good team, good players, and we remember last season we win but with many difficulties. This season, in my opinion, Persikabo are a better team, have good players, but as a team they work very hard, and we can see the last match against Persija that with bola and without bola they make good performance. Last match we don't get the result that we want. We have more chances. Opponent team have 3 chances and scored 2 goals, but this is the football. The good things that the football give to us, it's that we have another match for we can try to change the last picture that we showed, and this is what we're gonna try tomorrow.
Ya, sore untuk saya pemain mewakili teman-teman senior semua untuk pertandingan besok. Kami siap untuk pertandingan besok karena kekalahan sebelumnya buat kami pemain, dan untuk pertandingan besok kami ambil itu jadi motivasi lagi agar pertandingan besok bisa berjalan dengan maksimal dan kami bisa mendapatkan 3 poin. Dan dari selama recovery berapa hari, pelatih sudah kasih apa yang kekurangan yang di pertandingan sebelumnya, kekurangan pelatih sudah berikan buat kami, dan apa yang kami tampilkan besok semoga berkenan untuk supporter kami yang ada di Makassar. Dan saya minta dukungan doa dari supporter PSM yang ada di seluruh Indonesia. Semoga dukung kami buat pertandingan besok. Semoga kami bisa meraih 3 poin. Terima kasih.
Selamat siang, saya Alif dari Bolasport.com. Pertanyaan pertama, mungkin apa PSM sempat unggul 1 gol terlebih dahulu, namun sudah mampu dibalas dalam 2 pertandingan lain, lawan Persija dan lawan Dewa. Lalu yang kedua, pertanyaan kedua, mungkin kalau saya lihat seberapa besar sih pengaruh kehilangan sosok pemain seperti Ramadan Sananta. Lalu untuk Yance, apa kira-kira yang akan diwaspadai dari Persikabo pada pertandingan nanti? Terima kasih.
Iya, kalau untuk diwaspadai, ya kita tahu mereka juga main di kandang mereka. Otomatis mereka akan berjuang dan meraih hasil 3 poin. Dan untuk pemain sebenarnya semua, dari yang starter, cadangan, pokoknya semua. Intinya kita waspadai saja, tidak usah seperti yang pertandingan sebelumnya, kemasukan di menit-menit akhir. Terima kasih.
First match Persija, we lose the game because the Persija scored a goal when Yance was on the box. Number 73 hurt his nuts, and more than 45 seconds is on the floor. This just happened because the referee allowed. This is the reason that Persija drew. And you can speak that we are trying to lose time. If we want to lose time, I say to the goalkeeper to go to the floor. How many times against Persija goalkeeper go there? Koson, 0. No. So this is the first. If the opponent team don't have fair play, the referee must stop the game. This is the rules. After, if they think that we are making to lose time, give a full minute, no problem. But the referee is not doctor. About the second game, we play against a strong team. It's not the same team last season. See the budget see the players that they bring. Former player from national team Netherlands under 21. Player from Montenegro, central back, national team. Player from national team Greece. The other player from Liban already be there. The striker Alex play on China, on Japan. But we make good performance, in my opinion, against Villa. We are the best chances, more chances than them. And unfortunately, number 23 need to, for 2 times, need to get the second yellow card, not get. Number 22 make big kick in the backs of Jacob Sayuri, and who's gonna give Mera card was not him, but our player. And on this moment of the game was Satu. And we, without one less player, we tried to win the match. If you're gonna see, the moment that they was scored the goal, the second goal, was one moment that we tried to play, the ball goes to the foot of Ricky, and after give defensive transition to us. And after Ricky catch the ball rebound, go to number 8 of them, and they cross the score. This is the football. One thing I am sure, I am not happy because the result last match, but I cannot make a tragedy because our team was not so bad. If you go and analyze football, to analyze football, we need to be attention that we can win, we can draw, or we can lose. The opportunities that we create on this match, normally we're gonna win. Unfortunately, we lose. This is the football. Unfortunately, Salente is not with us. He came as a trial player last season. We helped him to develop, but he not renewed contract with us. So what we make on the past, not count. Now we must live the present. I wish good luck to him, but I wish better luck to my team, to our boys. Terima kasih.